after already Nike SB showing love to France a lot, and after already cooking with the review we made on these, right? Nike has said, you know what? We need to show France more love, and we're gonna mess around with some of the appetizers that they actually love out there. And wow, I have to say this one was pretty nice for what they went ahead and came out with. And today we were taking a look at the Nike SB Dunk Low in the Escargot colorway. And Chef, I will definitely be having one, and I would like to have maybe another one if possible. So with that said, guys, today, let's take a look at these right now. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid. Now, Fred, I hope you're having a great day, and I truly hope you're having a very blessed day. It's great to see you guys once again. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, yet again I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review, and yet again we're taking a look at the brand Nike SB. And I gotta say, Nike SB and the team have really been showing France a lot of love this year, because the last couple of releases that they've had have been, the colorway have been inspired off of France. The last one we went ahead and reviewed was the Safari, and this one is off of the Olympics that's being held over there in France. And now another one we're taking a look at today is off of many, I guess you could say, many French people's favorite delicacy or appetizer, which is escargot. And a lot of people have been telling me that this design looks really cool. And I even saw images when they first went ahead and dropped this, stating they were gonna come out. These do look really good. So without further ado, today we're gonna be taking a look at the Nike Escargot colorway. And I think this one, out of creativity, Nike SB has really went, they did their thing on this one for sure, because if you look at the different colors and accents going on, they really went ahead and went crazy on it. And I love the fact too that it goes ahead and inspired off of Escargot. I've never had that before. I'd be willing to have it, but it's just cool to see, like, you know, they're really trying to go ahead and like step out the box for like different designs. So with all of that said, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these Nike SB Dunk Low Escargots. Before I do, I gotta give you guys the love. I gotta give you guys the support, because you guys always go ahead and show me love and support, and I always gotta make sure you guys are taken care of first, because it means a lot to me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. First and foremost, before we even take a look at the Nike Dunk Low Escargot, I want to go ahead and say thank you guys for all the love and the support that you've been showing me. I've been staying really consistent, like, as of lately. I've been trying my best to drop a video every week, and I've really been doing that, and you guys have been showing lots of feedback on that, so I so very much appreciate you. If you haven't already, definitely go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because we are on the race to that 10K subscribers by the end of this year, and I know we will hit it. Also as well, if you like videos and like reviews on like sneakers and anything to do with sneakers and up to date on like releases, then you come to the right place. So I definitely want you to go ahead and stick around. So hit that like button, hit that bell notification, that way you can stay up to date. Also as well, if you want to go get featured like you see right here, comment down below and engage with the channel. I like to really make sure you guys feel incorporated on the channel. It's not just me, it's we. So I like to go ahead and really make sure, you know, your comments, the support is shown off by everybody. As long as you go ahead and show engagement, I promise to put you, as you see right here, like all of these wonderful individuals. And if you want to be a part of that, literally comment down below and engage with the channel. So with that said, it is time to look at these Nike SB Dunk Low Escargot. Let's go. And here we go. Right here, this is the box that they decided to go with. As you can see, as you guys know, if you've already been a returning, or if you're new, Nike SB always does head and have three boxes. You got your rainbow box, you got your cream, and then you got your purple with the white Nike SB font right there. So before I go ahead and actually take a look at these Nike Dunk Low Escargots, I do want to give you guys just kind of like a more detail. That way, you know, I kind of always like to know like where the team gets their inspirations from. So let me pull up my site right here. And let's take a look at it right here. So it does go ahead and say, drawing from France culinary heritage, the SB Dunk Low is inspired by Escargot, a renowned delicacy. The shoe features a vibrant green upper resembling herb garlic butter, while beige overlays nod to snail shells. Metallic silver accents represent the silver platter with a dinner plate graphics on the insole, a white midsole, and the rubber outsole complete the design. As you see right here, just some more information. The Nike SB Dunk Low Escargot is to set and release in fall 2024 at select skate shops and on Nike.com. I'd say right now, I did go ahead and get these over at my local skate shop, but usually I'd say about after skate shops, usually they put it out a week before their initial release happens. So Nike here shortly will probably go ahead and look over on the sneakers app because they will probably drop these very, very soon. And in conclusion, the Nike SB tributes to the 2024 Paris Olympics through the Escargot Dunk. Encapsulates the city's rich culinary tradition with its vibrant design and cultural significance. The release stands as a testament to the fusion of sports and artistry. And man, as you guys know, Nike SB is always trying to go ahead and do crazy things with their shoes. So I love it a lot. So here we go right here. Like I said, if you live over in, not so much live, but right now, currently, if you have any type of skate shops in the area you live, check that because they probably are dropping these sometime this week, if not already. So let's take a look at the side description, shall we? It does go ahead and read Nike SB Dunk Low Pro WC. It says sesame metallic silver pear, sesame pear, is it argent and metallic. I did go ahead and get a size 10.5. I did not have my normal size. I go in 11, but I can fit 10.5, which is a 12 in women. And if you look right now, this is also the SKU code FQ7585200. And if you do your thing and you go over to secondary markets, because if these do go ahead and sell out, which I feel like they will, retail price on these things aren't going for too crazy, and you can snag them up right there. So let's go ahead and take a look at these Escargots. Also as well, I forgot to implement, I know I'm like talking too much, but if you do not know what escargot is a French delicacy of edible land snails that are often served as an appetizer. And I've never had it before, but like I already stated in the beginning, but I'm willing to try a lot of stuff. So I'd be kind of, if I was to ever go out there or, you know, somehow happen to get my hands on a pair of some escargot, I would definitely try and see how it is. So let's go ahead, and as you can see, it does go and say Nike SB. Let's go ahead and pull the box right now. In 3, 2, and 1, open up the lid. As you guys know, we've seen plenty of the box, plenty of the SB presentation. You do go ahead and get your speckled paper right there. And then as we go ahead, as you see right here, it should come with your Nike SB sticker, which usually comes in all of your SBs. So let's go ahead and pull these things back. And it's time for the details, because from images, it looks great. In 3, 2, and 1, let's pull it out right here. And first initial thoughts, man. First initial thoughts and reactions is we're saying Shrek or Scooby-Doo or Shaggy. These are hard. These are definitely different. And that's one thing about SBs. You gotta love the difference, man. So let's go ahead and actually take out the other one right here. And then after I take this one out, we will take a look at it together. Here we go. Right here, we got the Nike SB Dunk Low in the Escargot colorway. And man, this one is definitely, the colors in this one scream. They're very, very loud, but I love the details they went with this. You can tell thought, in my opinion, was really put into this one. And like I said, the inspiration is supposed to be coming from escargot snails. So that's kind of like where you see where the brown, where the green, that's where all of that comes from. And it also represents elements of like being served on like a silver platter, you know? So let's go ahead and take a look at the, let's take a look at the right, because the right looks good. The right looks really, really good. So starting off with the very first part, we're looking at the outsole here. Outsole, as you can see right here, you get a brown outsole right there, and then smack in the middle you have your Nike SB logo, but it is done in a very nice, I want to say kind of like a slime green right there. Very nice touch. And it does go ahead and say Nike SB. You do want the camera to focus. As we come up to the midsole right here, you have an all white midsole, but there is kind of like speckle parts right there, which looks very, Very lovely, man. Very lovely. Coming up to the upper ring right here, you do get hit with a metallic swoosh, and I want to say the swoosh is supposed to like represent that platter, that silverware that you kind of eat with it. Then you do get hit with up your brown, you get hit with your green right there, and the green looks really nice. And the material that's on the green, it's kind of like a, not a suede, but I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how to really explain it, but it's more of like a rugged type of material, and it looks really nice. I want you to get a close perspective. Hope the camera can pick that up. Coming up, you do get hit with your brown laces right there, and the laces also really do look very nice. As you come up to the tongue right there, it does go ahead and say Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. I almost just fell. Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, and it does have a nice green patch right there. Coming up to the, ooh, look at the laces right there. Ooh, they give us nice little silver laces. Okay. Coming up and looking at the, well, I guess we start with the back. The heel right there, you do get the suede action, and you do get more of that green. And as you can see, it does go ahead and say Nike. But if you look right there, it has more of like a silver color right there, which is a nice very hit. And it does say Nike in that green, representing kind of like the silver platter on like the dish, which I think is really cool, dude. This is cool. Oh, look at the insole. Look at the insole. Okay, so as we go ahead, and I want to show you guys off the laces. So take a look at the laces right here. You do get hit with silver lace tips right there. That looks very nice. But as we come into the insole, you got a Nike SB plate with a fork and a knife right there for the insole. Holy, that's actually pretty cool. That's actually pretty cool. They went ahead and really took their time with this one, in my opinion. This one's cool. This one's really cool. So there you go right there. And then we go ahead, and that's pretty much the entirety of the shoe. It is inspired off of the Escargot, which is snails, man. That snail platter. And I think this one's really cool. I think this one, in my opinion, it's gonna be a little bit harder to wear because it's not just the colors they have going on. This is not something you can just go ahead and wear with everything. But one thing about sneakers I love, that's why sneakers are, you're able to go ahead and find pieces that you can match with certain things. You know what I'm saying? I like that. I feel like it's gonna make this fun wearing because you'll be able to have to go ahead and actually find something to really go ahead and wear with this. Or if you want, you can just wear all white, all black, call it a day. But at the end of the day though, this is the Nike SB Dunk Low and the Escargot. Let me know what you guys think about these. I really do enjoy these, man. I really do enjoy these, and I'm really excited to see what other ideas and colorways that they have cooking up for these SBs coming out, because ooh, you know me, being a sneaker lover, being a sneaker reviewer, I absolutely love this. So let me know what you guys think about these right now. But before I go ahead, and I am going to break away to an on-feet review right now, I do want to give you guys a closer perspective. That way, when these do go ahead and you see them start popping up on like retailers and sites, and if Nike puts them up on their site and you want to get it, then you know exactly what you're getting. So here we go. Right here, we got the Nike SB Dunk Low in the Escargot. These are a very nice shoe. I love the sock liner, very green. I love the detail on the insole. I think, in my opinion, one of the most pretty cool looking insoles I've seen in a long time. The fact that they went ahead and took, you have like a silver platter right there. They did a really good job with that. But take a look at the green. As you guys know, any type of sneaker that has green in it, I'm always interested in. I always gravitate towards it. Retail price for these is going to be $125. Like I said, it did go ahead and say coming for fall 2024. I was able to go ahead, my skate shop released them yesterday. I picked them up today. So Nike's probably gonna drop these very soon. Just look out for it. And yeah, if you're definitely interested in it, it shouldn't be too hard of a grab. If you do miss out and you want to go on secondary markets, I'll put a link in the description where you can check that out. But do let me know what you think about the Nike Dunk Low in the Escargot colorway, guys. Right, man, it's come down to that time. It's time for the video to end, the on feet to roll. But let me know what you guys think of the Nike Dunk Low Escargot. I think this is really nice. I really think it is. I think it's very creative. Not something, like I said, you'll be able to wear with just everything, but I think in itself, it's cool. You know what I'm saying? You'll definitely have to go ahead and mix and match to go ahead and find a nice little outfits. And you know, if you do find a nice outfit to wear with it, send a picture over. I'll post you on the next video, or I'll throw you up on my Instagram and stuff like that. I definitely like to go ahead and like engage with you guys too. So do let me know what you guys think about them. This has been your boy, this has been your kid. I love you guys a lot. Remember, it's only gonna be one you. Hit that bell notification, hit that subscribe button, because we are growing. We are absolutely growing. And once I hit that big milestone, I do want to give something special for you guys, because it's about time for something to be done. But we gotta hit that milestone first. We gotta hit that milestone. So with all things said, love you guys a lot. Been your boy, it's been your kid. I'll catch y'all in the next video. On feed's coming right now. Peace, guys.